back with another one. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but we had a beat contest out here at King's Best Mall. We are here in the city. We got a beat contest going on. Well, that's
Shit.
This was so hard. Oh, I'm coming behind. You coming behind? Are you good? That mug so clean.
Look, I stuck my head in there. I'm like the white girls on the videos you see.
Yeah, full detail all the way around. Y'all see the license plate, therapy session. That mug so good.
You realize, see the video, I've seen everything. Okay.
I can't get y'all too much of this because we're going to get copyright on the music, but I'm going to get y'all as much as I can before I can get it, before it's cut off on me. Check them out. We got all type of toys outside though. This Texas. Just remember, we love trucks in Texas, so everything big in Texas. This mug so clean. Hey man, y'all check this Scion out. Y'all see what it say? ain't giving y'all no footage, and that's my fault. But I'm gonna try my best to, give y'all this footage that y'all been looking for, that y'all been wanting. BlvdTv, I'm always outside, but y'all just follow me on all platforms. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on every platform. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Y'all follow me. The name is the same. She's so clean. This mug so clean. Y'all see the red. Check the red out. They say red turn heads. Hey man, if y'all don't know, y'all see it now. Still got Lowriders in Houston.